Within Kubernetes threat modeling, which scenario corresponds to the elevation of privilege category? Option A, a container process escaping its isolation boundary to acquire root privileges on the host worker node. Option B, an outside attacker brute-forcing credentials to access the Kubernetes administrative dashboard. Option C, a workload accessing sensitive configuration secrets belonging to another isolated namespace. Option D, a pod crashing repeatedly because resource quotas were exceeded on the worker node.
To approach this question, consider the core concept of elevation of privilege in security modeling. This category typically involves a situation where an entity gains a higher level of authorization or control than they were originally granted. Think about how various security incidents might allow an actor or process to break out of their intended restrictions to perform actions that are usually off-limits at their current permission level. I believe the correct answer is option A. In the context of threat modeling, elevation of privilege occurs when an entity successfully escalates its permissions. By escaping a container, a process breaks out of its restricted environment to gain root access to the host, which is a significant increase in authority. This is a classic example of moving from limited container privileges to full node control.
Now, let us look at the other options. Option B involves unauthorized access, which falls under authentication bypass or spoofing. Option C describes accessing information beyond one's scope, characteristic of broken access control or information disclosure. Finally, option D relates to system availability and resource exhaustion, rather than privilege escalation. Keep in mind for your exams that privilege escalation is specifically about the unauthorized expansion of capability.